Let's make a delicious and colorful chicken with saffron. First, we season the chicken with saffron. Then, we fry the chicken in the oil. Then, we take the chicken out of the oil and put it aside. We boil the orange peel in water for a few minutes. Then, we strain the orange peel to get the juice. Now, in the same pan that we fried the chicken, we add the onion, carrot, and orange peel. Then, we add the turmeric, black pepper, red pepper, and salt. We fry it for a few minutes. When the onion is softened, we add the chicken. We also add a few pieces of fresh ginger. Now, we take the juice of 2 to 3 oranges. We strain it to get the juice. Then, we add the orange peel. We cook it for 1.5 to 2 hours on low heat. To garnish the chicken, we put a delicious bowl with a potato stew. At the last 30 minutes, we add fresh lemon juice or orange juice and saffron. We let it boil until the sauce thickens. To make it more delicious, we also make this sauce. We fry the orange peel with sugar and saffron. Then, we add the orange peel. Our chicken is ready. We can't miss this hearty and delicious dish. We put the chicken pieces on the rice and pour this delicious sauce on it. No matter how delicious this chicken is, I can't tell you how delicious it is. I can't tell you.